Almost every client that I work with has a desire to leave some form of generational wealth, but we can't leave generational wealth if we don't have a generational wealth plan, right? That is going to include at least a living revocable trust, which if you had that, you'll have your will, you'll have your healthcare power of attorney, you'll have your medical directives to ensure when something happens to us, whether it's just old age and we've lived a long, healthy life, or something happens prematurely or unexpected, there is a plan in place that determines what is going to happen and what that looks like. Because if we don't have that in place, we're leaving our loved ones to play the guessing game. And if all we have is a will in place, we can't necessarily dictate what that's going to look like long term. The will dictate who is going to get what, but it's not going to avoid probate, and it's not going to determine what they're able to do with it, when they're able to access it, to ensure that you can create that long-term generational wealth. For example, you might have a young child and you might say, okay, in order for you to access this first batch of funds, you have to graduate from college, or you have to take this financial literacy course, or you have to get this policy and assign it to our family trust so that even though you're going to be taking distributions, we know that you're going to replenish it with your life insurance policy. There's different provisions that you can put in place to ensure that your family's legacy is protected. But the only way that's going to happen is if you have a proper estate plan in place.